next special guest. Before I call him on stage, I'm going to show you a small AV about him. Sit back, relax, and check out this AV.
మహంకాళి శ్రీనివాసరావు. స్టార్టప్ కంపెనీలలో ఈ పేరు తెలియని వారుండరు. కానీ అందరూ ఈయనను ఎంఎస్ఆర్ గారు అని పిలుస్తారు. మన భారతదేశంలోని 29 రాష్ట్రాల్లో 356 ఇంక్యుబేటర్లు ఉన్న టీ హబ్ మాత్రమే రోల్ మోడల్గా ఉంది. అటువంటి టీ హబ్కి ప్రస్తుత మన మహంకాళి శ్రీనివాసరావు గారు సీఈఓగా ఉన్నారు. మహంకాళి శ్రీనివాసరావు గారు మన హైదరాబాద్కు చెందిన చాలా సీనియర్ మరియు నిష్ణాతుడైన ప్రొఫెషనల్. ఈయన ఐటీ పరిశ్రమలో 3 దశాబ్దాలుగా సీనియర్ ఎంటర్ప్రీనియర్గా కొనసాగుతున్నారు. ఎంఎస్ఆర్ గారిని తన జీవిత ప్రయాణం గురించి అడిగితే, నా జీవితంలో చాలా ఆసక్తికరమైన ప్రయాణం చేశాను. దీనిలో చాలా అదృష్టం ఉంది. కొన్నిటిని నేను డిజైన్ చేసుకుంటే మరికొన్ని పనులు నాకు యాదృచ్ఛికంగా జరిగాయని చెబుతారు. ఈయన మొదటిలో కొన్ని కంపెనీల కోసం 12 సంవత్సరాలు పనిచేశారు. ఈరోజు మనం వాటిని స్టార్టప్లు అని పిలుస్తున్నాం. ఈయన మొదటి ఉద్యోగం సొనాటా అనే మిడ్ సైజ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కంపెనీలోనూ, తర్వాత కంప్యూటర్ విజన్ ల్యాబ్స్తో కలిసి పనిచేసి ఆ తర్వాత మైక్రోలైన్ అనే కంపెనీతో కలిసి పనిచేశారు. తన స్నేహితుడితో కలిసి నెట్పోల్ను భారతదేశంలోని 3 అగ్రశ్రేణి నెట్వర్క్స్ మరియు సిస్టమ్స్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ కంపెనీలలో ఒకటిగా నిలబెట్టారు. తర్వాత ఆ కంపెనీని ఐబిఎం కొనుగోలు చేసింది. ఎంఎస్ఆర్ హైదరాబాద్లోని ఉస్మానియా విశ్వవిద్యాలయం నుండి ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్లో బ్యాచిలర్ డిగ్రీని మరియు ఐఐఎం బెంగళూరు నుండి ఎంబీఏ కలిగి ఉన్నారు. ఆ తర్వాత గ్లోబల్ అలయన్స్ ఫర్ మాస్ ఎంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్షిప్ అనే సామాజిక ప్రభావ సంస్థలో చేరారు. ఈయన స్టార్టప్ కంపెనీలలో వచ్చే యువతకు ప్రతి మనిషి ఉత్తమంగా ఉండాలని, అలాగే ఏ పని చేసినా చిత్తశుద్ధితో చేయాలని చెబుతుంటారు. అలాగే ప్రతి మనిషిలోనూ ఒక సామర్థ్యం ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఆ సామర్థ్యాన్ని గుర్తించి సరైన మార్గంలో ఉంచాలని చెబుతుంటారు. మహంకాళి శ్రీనివాస్ గారు ఆయన చేసిన ఈ పని నిబద్ధతతో, చిత్తశుద్ధితో, సమయస్ఫూర్తితో చేసి ఈరోజు గొప్ప ఆలోచనలు కలిగి ఏదో ఒకటి సాధిద్దాం అని కలలుగనే ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి, మరీ ముఖ్యంగా యువతకి స్ఫూర్తిదాయకంగా నిలుస్తున్న మన టీ హబ్ సీఈఓ అయినటువంటి ఎంఎస్ఆర్ గారిని రెజోఫెస్ట్ 2023కి హృదయపూర్వకంగా ఆహ్వానిస్తూ స్వాగతం పలుకుతోంది మా రెజోనెన్స్ జూనియర్ కాలేజెస్ అండ్ స్కూల్స్ హైదరాబాద్. వెల్కమ్ టు మహంకాళి శ్రీనివాసరావు గారు.
Please put your hands together and welcome Mr. Mahakali Srinivas Rao, sir, the CEO of T-Hub. Let's welcome him with a big round of applause, everybody. Can I also request Veeru sir to join us on stage, Principal Gurukul College, and present a bouquet and welcome MSR sir to RezoFest 2023. Let's have a round of applause. Sir, can I now request you to please address the gathering? Thank you.
How's the Josh today? Can't hear you. How's the Josh today? Okay, so first of all, thank you Purnachandra Mehra garu. Thank you management of Resonance. Thank you to the faculty. Thank you to the parents. And of course all you young wonderful students who are here today. So when I came here, Purna Gara was telling me about the numbers you are doing today here at Resonance. 25 schools, 10,000 plus students. This year about 197 students have got into JEE. So first of all, congratulations to all of those who've made it to the IIT, and first best wishes to all the young people who are now aspiring to get into IIT and JEE. So I thought I'll share with you a few thoughts, and then of course I'll talk about entrepreneurship. So let me start with a question. How many of you want to become entrepreneurs? I want to see more hands. Okay, thank you. Okay, so first of all, as you prepare for this important exam, I thought I'll share a few thoughts with you which you may want to keep at the back of your mind. The first thing is, when you prepare for anything important, first embrace what I call a positive mindset. Think positive. Think you can win. Half the battle of winning is in the mind and thinking that you can do it. So think positive, because your attitudes will decide your attitude will shape your actions, and a positive outlook will fuel your motivation. First. Second is, when you prepare for anything important, it is about preparing strategically. Right? So when you are taking the exam, break down the exam into manageable sections. Don't waste too much time if you can't answer something. Focus on things which you know you can answer, and then come back to what you want to answer. Third is make sure this is a difficult exam. You're going to spend about 2 years preparing for it. Some of you may already be in the 12th. So make sure that you take care of yourself, because you need to be having both physical well-being and mental well-being when you take an exam. When you take an exam like this, it is a competitive exam. While it is a competitive exam, if you go in calmly, go in well prepared, go in with with an attitude of that I will do well, you will definitely do well. Right? So I think, and some of you may not finally become very successful, but it is okay. What is really important first is taking a step, saying, I want to do it, I can do it, I must do it, and I will do it. Right? So go in with that attitude. Now, as you get in, some of you will get into IIT, some of you will get into NET, NITs, some of you will get into other colleges. I thought I'll share a few thoughts on what I think is important to learn. So one is obviously focus on academics, but also learn life skills. So when you talk about entrepreneurship, for anyone to become a successful entrepreneur, entrepreneurs are basically problem solvers, entrepreneurs are risk takers, and part of problem solving is about being able to think creatively, about being able to think critically, about being able to collaborate, about being able to communicate, right? So don't just focus on academics, become a well-rounded individual who can think through problems, who can learn how to collaborate and work and put together teams and be able to build a business. So what we do at T-Hub, particularly with many of you who want to become entrepreneurs, is first of all, if you have an idea or you're thinking about starting something, we'll provide you all the required resources to help you start. Also, if you may not have an idea, we can help you think about an idea which you may want to have about how you can build a business, right? So essentially what I want to tell you here again is, first of all, you must congratulate Nara and his team for putting together such a large event. I felt I was in a rock concert. I actually felt I had come to a rock concert and I had come to the wrong place. But then he told me, no, we are doing this to basically energize our young people. So kudos to you and the team for putting together such a wonderful event. Kudos to all of you for taking this important step. You've joined the right place. I think you were sharing the numbers with me. I think the remarkable success rate, the remarkable growth in the last 5 years means that you are doing something of quality. You are doing something which is really with passion as the passion, and something where you want to really help up and coming students go to the next level. So congratulations to them, congratulations to you, and best wishes to you. All of you are winners. Think like a winner and you will be a winner. So best wishes for the future, and hopefully all of you who have dreams and visions of becoming an entrepreneur, best wishes to all of you. Thank you.
Sagar sir and DK Jha sir to please join us.
Students, I'm assuring you one thing, very soon all our students will come up with the startup ideas to T-Hub only.
With the next set of awardees, the achievers out here, let's quickly get started with the very first one. Rahul Siddharth, Likhit, IIT. Likhit is in IIT. Rahul Siddharth is also in IIT. Congratulations. Chiranjeevi Devata, IIT. U Hari Prasad, NIT. Can I request the awardees to please join us on stage? Can we have a big round of applause for them, everybody? N. Lakshmi Narsimha, U. Hari Prasad, B. Likhit, Chiranjeevi Devata. Please join quickly, thank you. V. Siddhartha, please be ready, followed by T. Sai Vardhan. Rajshekhar, IIT. Prasanna Prashant, NIT. Rishikesh B. Pradyumna Gaur, NIT. Rakesh, Triple IT. Anand, NIT. Please be ready. Jashika, NIT, please be ready. Jahnavi, Sai Nihar Sai. Abhishek Saranga, Arvind Nayak. J. Shivasai, Gyanan, Divija, Vignesh, Pranay, IIT, Raymond Reddy, IIT, G. Shashant, Can I request you to be a little quicker, please? Help us save some time. Thank you. B. Vishnu, NIT. Tanuj, IIT. Rahul Siddharth. Mahesh, NIT. Sai Charan, IIT. Tanishq, NIT. Sarvesh, BITS. Abhinav Ram, Jessica, and E. Karthik, IIT. I request all the names which I've announced to please come in a line and collect your award. Many congratulations to all the winners. It is their special moment, guys. Can we clap for all of them, please? Congratulations. Next, please. Many congratulations to all the winners. And we have a whole lot of them. It's so good to see so many achievers out here. One more time, a big round of applause for them. Come on, everybody. They've done. Come on, everyone. Can we all have a big round of applause for all the achievers? Many congratulations to all the achievers. What a moment for all of you. All that 2 years of hard work which you've put. Today is the day you can proudly sit and showcase your trophy which you're getting today. Congratulations. And we see super happy parents today and super proud parents today collecting the awards. Can I request Govind sir and MVK sir, Govind sir, Maths HOD, and MVK sir, Chemistry HOD, to join us on stage, please? Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for doing the honors. And I request Govind sir and MVK sir to please join us on stage and felicitate our dignitary. Come on, let's have a round of applause, everybody. Come on, let's do it. Thank you so very much. Thank you, Mr. Mahakali Srinivas Rao, sir, for joining us out here, taking time out from your busy schedule. Thank you very much, sir, for coming and joining. A big round of applause, everybody.